Hello everyone. Myself Anna Verma, Assistant Professor in Pedagogy of Biological Sciences, HOD BA Department at CPSM College of Education, Gurugram. I completed my MSc Microbiology Honours School and MH from Punjab University, Chandigarh. Presently pursuing MPhil from Cambridge University, Rohtak. UGC NET qualified twice in education. I have been in education sector from past 15 years. As my keen interest is in research, I had worked in a research project on unexplained infertility in the field of microbiology, and also worked on social and emotional intelligence in the field of education. Before joining education field, I have worked with Central Asia Quality Control Lab at Nestle, Punjab. I have 7 years of teaching experience from Guru Gobind Singh Institute of Research of Paramedical and Allied Health Sciences, Ludhiana. Then my education journey switched to LLRM College of Education, Punjab in 2011. Shifting from Punjab to Gurugram was a challenging phase in my life. I joined CPSM College of Education on 17 September 2012. Until now working in this esteemed organization. Well, in my journey of education, I published a number of papers in national and international journals and also participated in various seminars, conferences, workshops, symposiums, etc. Well, I believe leadership is not about being the best. Leadership is about making everyone else better. A leader is one who maps the way and set expectations while engaging and energizing the team members along the way. While in the climate of uncertainty, he lifts the fog and helps them see where the organization is going on. So a leader listens, considers, takes opinions before making any final decision. This thing enhances the trust, team spirit, cooperation, creativity, innovative ideas. Well, the growth of employees is there. So it gets people to do what you want to do, but in a way that they want to do it. If you enjoy a constantly evolving profession, then I say education sector is the unique sector which provides the opportunity to influence young people, young mind, by making positive difference in their lives. Furthermore, in education, teaching also gets you to delve into new topics and learn right along with the students. You will also have the chance to become a student again as emerging technologies and instructional methods are introduced. Historic events unfold in real time. You will always be learning something new. So in learning, you will teach, and in teaching, you will learn. CPSM College of Education is one of the oldest pioneer institutions in the Gurugram district, which has earned a nationwide recognition in the field of teacher education. The objective of the college is to prepare innovative teachers who can meet the challenges of emerging school education in the modern information technology. So our vision of the college is endeavor to stretch the cognizance, creativity and channelizing the fraternity for excellence in quality teacher education. CPSM College has evolved over time, which can be imagined from the fact that initially started from a small building. It has tremendously flourished to such a big shape, where education for various courses are being imparted. On 17 September 2004, NCT granted recognition to the college to admit 100 students in BA. Subsequently, the college came into existence on October 20th, 2004 under the chairmanship of great visionary late Shri Jai Singh Darwech. Now, institution has progressed leaps and bounds by establishing under the patronage of visionary leaders of Chaudhry Pratap Singh Memorial Charitable Trust. In the beginning, 2004, the institution was running in the premises of Marumal Public School, Sector 4, Gurugram. In the year 2006, its own building was built up and the institution was shifted in present campus at Sector 34, Gurugram. In year 2005, college got approval for 50 seats for DLED. The institution got additional 100 seats of B.Ed approved by NCT and MDU in year 2008. So, AMED course approved by NCT and MDU is recently introduced in 2018 for intake of 50 seats. So for now, there is intake of 200 students in B.Ed, 50 for DLED and 50 for AMED. So in total, we are having 300 seats. I joined CPSM College on 17 September 2012. Since then, we are constantly striving to achieve the vision and its mission. Presently, our college is running 3 courses, that is AMED, B.Ed and DLED. They are of 2 years session each. And the college is affiliated to MD University Rohtak and is approved by NCETE Jaipur. D.Ed course is approved by Haryana School Education Board. Well, CPSM basically is the part of DPG group of colleges. So presently we are having 4 colleges. CPSM is the oldest one, which was established in 2004. Then in 2007, DPG Polytechnic was opened. In 2011, DPG ITM Engineering College was established. And in 2015, recently, a stepping stone for DPG Degree College was laid. We also have tied up with TCS Tata Consultancy Services for conducting all India level online tests. We have also established IGNOU Regional Center, where various courses of IGNOU like undergraduate and postgraduate courses run successfully. There is another tied up with Yuva Healthcare, TISS University School of Vocational Education for running various healthcare professions. Furthermore, we have been approved for examination center for MDU, CRSU, BITS Pilani and various other renowned bodies for conducting their examinations. Well, we also have been approved for the spot evaluation, or we can say marking center of answer books of B.Ed and other exams. The whole journey of CPSM has evolved magnificently and has covered all the developmental milestones in a very significant way. We ensure quality, effective education and carry out developmental activities for protection of interest of all the stakeholders of education. We prepare reflective professionals through outstanding teaching and training, professional experiences and meaningful outreach. We follow curriculum framed by MDU Rohtak. Micro-teaching and mega-teaching practice is conducted in the campus under simulation conditions, which has the purpose to train our students and prepare them for real teaching practice, which is conducted in schools of district Gurugram. This teaching practice boosts our students' confidence and capability. They learn various skills which will help in their teaching profession. The institution provides adequate opportunities where student-teacher have an active interaction with the community, like a visit to blind schools, deaf and dumb schools, mentally retarded schools, where students get acquainted with the life of special children. CPSM believes in the strong relationship between academic studies and co-curricular activities, which are required in building up a strong personality and unshakable character of students. Well, our talent hunt program is organized in the beginning of the session, and throughout the session, different cultural activities are organized to bring out the hidden potential of the students. Well, inter-college competition is organized every year on 6th Feb, where colleges from all over Haryana take part in various events like debate, drama, poem recitation, etc. And the topmost team win the Shri Jai Singh Gehlot Memorial Overall Rolling Trophy. Students participate with full enthusiasm. They express their ideas and skills, which enhances their confidence, creativity, and real-world exposure. We also send our students to different colleges and universities to participate in different events for their overall personality development. College organizes sports meet from 5th Feb to 7th Feb annually. As college has indoor and outdoor sports facilities like indoor badminton court is there, tennis court, big cricket ground
where various sports activities are conducted. So these sports activities, they boost the sportsmanship among the students and develop to their fullest potential. Annual Day Arpan is celebrated on 8th of Feb every year, where our budding students showcase their talent and the winners in academics and sports are graced with medals and certificates on this auspicious occasion. Esteemed and renowned personalities are invited as chief guest and guest of honor who share their views, ideology, and experiences among students. Well, excursion to different interesting places like Surajkund Mela, Faridabad, Pratapgarh Farms, Jhajjar, Shimla, Manali. These all other places we arrange the trip for students to gain a real life experience. Besides significant achievements of students in academic and co-curricular activities organized by the college and other colleges, national seminar, workshop, extension lecture, personality development programs, teacher training, internships, these all are organized in the college, where students get exposure and interaction with other renowned educators and dignified persons. We also welcome MIT students of other colleges by providing opportunity to work as an interns in our institution. Presently, we are focusing more on research, like research initiatives, research methodology. We are conducting some seminars, workshops to enhance the research level of our students. CPSM College is located within the city of Gurugram. So students from Delhi, Gurgaon, Sona, Faridabad, Nazafgarh, NCR zone join us. It's just 5-minute drive from Huda city center. So, CPSM is the best college in the city to join. Cosmopolitan culture is seen as students from other states also join here, like from Punjab, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan, etc. Students learn a lot from diverse culture. College has an elegant building, grassy sprawling campus of 23 acres, airy ventilated, adequate number of classrooms, rich library with a huge stock of books and journals of education research. Exists a well-equipped maths lab, science lab, SS lab, art and craft lab, psychology lab, computer lab, and MEd resource center. Well, college is equipped with CCTV camera for security reasons and is a whole Wi-Fi campus. Online attendance regularly maintained by ERP system. There is a fleet of buses available in college used as means of transportation for students from all NCR zone. There is a provision of separate hostel for boys and girls with all modern amenities in the campus. To maintain the standard of quality of education, there is regular check by inspecting team from MD University Rohtak, NCTE and NEC. Many social activities are organized like blood donation camps. Strong academic result is our greatest strength. Maximum students score first division and also hold university merit list. So the dedicated and highly qualified and experienced staff members or faculty is the strength of CPSM. So I can say that it is the joint venture of staff members and the management that every year the result of the students are 100%. The overall environment of the institution is congenial, cooperative and democratic. The optimum utilization of the resources, infrastructure available, well-qualified, professionally excelled faculty has made CPSM as an esteemed, reputed college of education nationwide. CPSM College prepares competent and committed teachers and leaders who will assume positions as educators, administrators, and policymakers at national and international level. We strengthen and develop community connections through collaborations, professional development programs, and other services. We are constantly trying to build our institute a social leader by integrating quality teaching learning process, providing scholarship, and also enlighten, emancipate, and empower the student teacher to foster lifelong learning. Our main aim is to create an ambience in the field of education in which new ideas and innovative skills flourish to play the multifaceted role of the teacher in the new millennium. To foster learning and to motivate our students, we have introduced scholarship program. The purpose is just to uplift the students' academic performance. Furthermore, with the joint efforts of the students and faculty, the newsletter, The Education Buzz, is published where one can be acquainted with the college overall activities, programs, achievements, and further milestones which college has covered step by step. Action research by faculty is also carried for further improvement in teaching methodology to enhance teaching learning process. Faculty development programs are organized to update teachers with new skills and knowledge. Also, personality development programs are conducted to develop the overall personality of students. Determination to destination, that's challenging, changing, and developing competencies with a focus on high quality education. Our main challenge is to excel as a leader for an interactive, effective, and equitable knowledge community in education system by providing learning-centered experiences to those who foster a diverse academic community, generating new knowledge and educating future citizens and educational leaders. We want to serve the society in inclusive way by means of philanthropic endeavors. The biggest challenge which in general all are facing today is corona outbreak. So because of government notification regarding educational institutes, the admission process is delayed. Online learning is rapidly becoming one of the most effective way to educate today's generation. Well, online teaching has been introduced and is conducting very systematically and smoothly in our college. At least we are fulfilling the requirements of the students by uplifting their knowledge and skills development. They are more digitalized. We are able to complete the syllabus. It was the biggest challenge to conduct their examinations and lectures on digital media. We are now focusing more to enhance our social media as per the need of society. We are on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube, which are more active nowadays. Ultimately, we are targeting to increase the students' performance level, more research work, coupled with active placement cell in upcoming year. So scholarship plans have been initiated and steps for more collaborations with the community has been taken. Top priority will be the research in teacher education. We are motivating and molding our student teacher towards research on critical issues in education. AMED Resource Center has been set up in the college where all books, journals, psychological tests are equipped as resource material to be utilized. Extension lecture on research methodology are organized for research activities. We want to create a world-level impact in the field of education. Other priority will be to enhance more personality development programs for students and faculty development programs and teacher exchange programs also. We want to strengthen our present placement cell more by collaborating more with the reputed schools, organize more job fair in the campus. We are focusing the quality teacher education at par with the international level of standards and searching for international collaborations also. We are producing skilled and competent teachers to meet the need of society. An alumni cell has been organized and alumni meet is conducted every year. We are emphasizing to increase the number of alumni members now. So as today's era is of digitalization, so we are focusing on utmost use of technology while imparting education, for which we are promoting our faculty and students to participate various workshops, seminars for learning ICT skills. CPSM is dedicatedly contributing to the society by preparing effective torch-bearer prospective teachers who will pave way for the 21st century school education. Year 2020 is the 17th session of college
and thousands of effective teachers have been prepared by the college who are deployed at dignified posts in the Department of Education. Management of CPSM is very cooperative for students as well as for faculty members. They always encourage and support by providing facilities for organizing different seminars, conferences, symposium, and workshops in the college campus, as well as they allow us to participate in other colleges, universities too. Our faculty, they also provide guidance to students for UGC NET, CTET, HTET, and various other competitive examinations. Main focus area is to increase enrollment rate, student academic performance, placement, faculty skill and knowledge development, institution interaction with other colleges, upgraded teaching learning process, and research development. Success is where preparation and opportunity meet. CPSM College of Education educate and train the socially responsible would-be teachers and nurture them to excel in the field of education. We offer best quality education and enriched training to students to achieve excellence. Our main aim is to enhance the intellectual and creative capacity of the students and to empower them through education. Thank you.